They just a heads up, if you try this, you need apparently like a stripe down the middle. Don't put it all over your nail.
You want a waffle? Waffle? Oh, waffle. So funny story, I was supposed to pre-film a bunch of videos yesterday and then ended up having a horrible anxiety day thanks to my fucking sister-in-law. You're cute. Yeah, you're cute. Gotta get a waffle in 1 sec. It's squeaky. Oh, thank you. Yes, Friday. Wrapping paper. What do we do today? Winston. You're doing my laundry, man. Trying to fold. Pants. Yes. Thank you. Pants. Pajamas, yeah. Hey, you're being counterproductive now.
Okay.
Oh, excuse you.
Excuse.
It is yucky out, huh?
Yucky.
Yeah. Okay. We gonna go for a drive? Because it's too yucky to play outside. I got the goods. So this crazy contraption is the dude's early birthday present that he got this morning. It is a gymnastics bar. It looks big, but it does fold up for very easy storage. Like it just folds up into like a big flat bar. But he loves it. He's been swinging on it and watching his show for his TV time anyway. But you can adjust the height on it. So this is on the lowest setting right now, which is Robot Dave, which is the perfect height for him. I got it on Amazon. I'll leave the link for it down below if it's still available. And it comes with these rings, like swinging rings. I can raise it up and put the rings on and he can hang from those. But right now we're just letting him kind of play around with the bar itself and he's really enjoying it. You gonna swing? Yeah! Just thawing this sexy boneless lamb leg for dinner. It was only $15.37. Very good price for lamb. And that piece of meat looks so nice. Okay, so I've got quite a bit done already. I filmed a few things and got a bit of the kitchen cleaned up. I gotta do some more dishes. But I'm not going to worry too much about it until after dinner because I'm going to have dinner dishes to do anyway. It's like a never-ending cycle. Oh my god, I'm sure you all know what I'm talking about. But I've got at least half an hour in theory until he wakes up, so I need to do my nails because they are wretched. I'm just going to clean them up because I need to film a tutorial for my Intense Customs channel, link down below as per usual. So I got my tools right here. I'm going to get that done and watch some YouTubes while I do that. I landed on Carter Sullivan. I love her vlogs. They're just so relaxing, especially like now that she's getting into fall stuff because she's like a super fall fanatic like I am. I love it. Love her. And she's from Ottawa, which is my selected hometown.
One particular employer took their
I'm gonna set him free from the living room reasonably soon. He's being pretty lazy, so I don't even know if he's gonna want to leave the living room, but I have a few things to do in the kitchen and he tends to like to join me in here. And then maybe we can do some activities. Let me show you what I got. So I picked up this pre-kindergarten book from Walmart. The pages just rip out, so whatever one he's working on at the moment, we just started it. So I'm just leaving whatever page he's working on the fridge. Reading, math, and writing, and it's just some fun little sheets for him to do, and it's really easy because they just follow, like the tracing is with their fingers, and then they color. And at the end of each little section, so this is the end of the math section, then they get a little certificate. Winston's really sad today because it's still pouring rain out and he doesn't want to go in the rain, but he wants to go. But every time I get him out there, he doesn't do anything because it's raining, so he just stands at the door shivering. Is life hard, Winston? Robot Dave! Robot Dave! So I'm baking this at 425. I think I'm just gonna do 20 minutes and then check it because my oven is like super dangerous. I have ruined many a meat in this oven because I underestimated or overestimated how it would cook. So I'm gonna check it because it's pretty thin at about the 20-minute mark. See where the temp's at. Ideally, I'd like this medium rare after resting, so I'm really just gonna have to keep a close eye on the temperature. And then for a side, because I know my child will eat it, I'm gonna be making the Parmesan pesto Knorr sidekicks. That should happily feed everyone, I hope. Ugh. I hate dishes so much. Also, there was way too much rosemary on the lamb, and I hate rosemary. And apparently I hate it even more while I'm pregnant, so I ended up going to Burger King. And never went in. Yeah. On that note, I need to go shower, so I'm going to end this vlog here. Thanks so much for watching. Leave it a thumbs up if you enjoy these short little day in my life vlogs. I do them periodically.